Okay, let's take a look at this Christmas tree storage bag from Holiday Cheer. So this is a 7.5 foot. It's for a 7.5 foot tree, rather. I actually got this for a 7.5 foot pencil tree. I always recommend sizing up in these tree bags just because it's easier. I don't like to, really struggle to get it inside. So again, I'm using this for a smaller tree. If you have a 7.5 foot tree that's very full, I would recommend sizing up to the 9 foot. So what I love about these is it's got the wheels on the back and it's got some nice structure here on the bottom, which is going to make it really easy with this on the end to kind of roll the tree around. You just sort of drag them around. We actually have 11 trees in our home this year, and having them in these bags is like critical for storage because we just keep them up in our attic, and it's so much easier to bring them down with the wheels because I can literally just roll them down the stairs. So this has got it's nice canvas. It's got a label here so you can make sure you know what you're storing inside. The canvas and the zippers feel very sturdy, as do the straps, and the size seems just about right for a 7.5 foot tree, again, for a smaller tree. And then one of the other things I love about the Holiday Cheer bags is that they have a zipper or a pocket on the back here. And if you have a fabric tree skirt, you can keep it inside this just to kind of keep it all together. That's what we do anyway. You could put whatever you want in here. So there's a lot of other straps and different hooks and things. These bags are awesome though. It's so much better than keeping them in the box. Do not keep your trees in the box. It takes up too much space. They get dusty. It's so much better just to bag them. Thumbs up on this one. Highly recommend it.